Welcome to another 2-Minute Tuesday, Main Sequence's series of short videos with tips, tricks, and tutorials to help make you a more powerful PC Recruiter user. We're going to revisit the topic of screen customization this week and check out how you can adjust your main search form and search results. Every user in the database can have their own personalized customizations, or the system admin can copy one user's settings to others for consistency. The simple name, company, and position search forms all include 3 fields that can be combined, plus a keyword search box. By default, all 3 dropdowns contain all of the possible fields for the record type you're working with. You can quickly get to any field you want by typing the field name into the dropdown, but you can speed up your process by cutting out any fields you would never expect to search. To do this, we go into the Customize screen in the Action menu. In the Searching section, we'll see a column containing all of the available fields on the left and a column for our selected fields on the right. Since we've never configured this screen before, the right side is empty. We can drag the fields from one column to another or use the plus and minus icons and drag them up and down into any order we want. After we click Save, the 3 dropdowns will contain only those fields we placed in the right column. Our pared down set of fields applies to the dropdowns in the Advanced search as well. If you want to set a default group of search options, just select the fields you want, check the Save as Default box, and then click Search to save your choices. You can also use this method to pre-fill any of the 3 values. For example, if I usually want to search only my available jobs, I can set Status dropdown as a search field and set it to Available Open. Now I've saved not only the field, but the search term as part of my default. The same Customize pop-up allows you to control which columns you'll see in your search results. Clicking the Results page sidebar item brings up the list, in which we can change the order of the fields, click on them to delete them from our results screens, or click the menu icon at the right to set a default width for the column. At the right are the default options for a primary and secondary sort order for the results. Most of the time you'll just sort by one field, such as descending order by last activity or alphabetically ascending by last name, but you may want to have a secondary sort if you wanted to group results by state and then by zip codes within each state. We can also change the default number of rows per page or hide any items in the action pull-down on our results that we don't want to see. Keep in mind that adding more columns and more rows can cause your search results to load more slowly, but you can always come back into this screen and make adjustments at any time. For more 2-Minute Tuesdays, subscribe to this YouTube channel and watch our social networks or your PCR login screen. If you have any suggestions for future episodes, send an email to 2minutetuesday@mainsequence.net.